In this video, we'll be taking a tour of every planet in our solar system. From Mercury to Neptune, we'll cover interesting facts and the latest discoveries. Whether you're a space enthusiast or a curious learner, this video is for you. As we embark on this journey, we must remember how fortunate we are to be living in a time where exploration of our solar system is not just a topic for science fiction stories but a living reality. Our quest to understand the secrets of our neighboring planets is driven not purely out of our desire for knowledge, but also out of our innate need for survival. As we travel through space, we will witness not only the diversity of each planet but also the interconnectedness of the cosmos. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime as we explore every planet in our solar system. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, has unimaginably extreme temperature variations that make it hard to visit. Due to its proximity to the Sun, the temperatures can rise up to a scorching 430 degrees Celsius. This heat is hot enough to melt some metals, and the surface of the planet is covered with craters and rocky terrain as it is unable to sustain an atmosphere. The temperature on Mercury drops to minus 270 degrees Celsius on the side that faces away from the Sun, where it appears as a barren and inhospitable wasteland. It's an interesting fact that despite the harsh conditions, NASA managed to send a spacecraft to Mercury named Messenger, completing its mission in April 2015. This successful mission allowed us to observe and learn more about this unique and challenging planet. Venus's thick and toxic atmosphere is so intense that it creates a runaway greenhouse effect that keeps the planet scorching hot. This thick cloud covering of Venus is composed of mainly sulfuric acid and sulfur dioxide, which reflects up to 80% of the Sun's light back into space before it even reaches Venus's surface. Despite the fact that Venus is the second planet from the Sun, it is the hottest in our solar system. Its average surface temperature of 462 degrees Celsius is nearly twice the maximum temperature on Earth's surface. Due to the inhospitable conditions on Venus, it is a harsh planet for exploration, with the longest surviving probe lasting only 2 hours before being destroyed by the harsh conditions. Nonetheless, astronomers and scientists wish to delve more into Venus to uncover its mysteries and understand this unforgiving planet. The vastness of the Earth's oceans and their diversity of life is truly remarkable. With an estimated 228,450 species living in the world's oceans, each unique and adapted to their specific environment, our underwater world is a treasure trove of wonder. Not only is this marine life beautiful to observe, but it plays a critical role in our planet's ecosystem, providing oxygen, regulating climate, and supporting food chains. Despite its importance, the oceans are facing numerous threats, from overfishing and pollution to climate change. It is up to us to take action to protect these important habitats and the incredible array of life they support. It's not just scientists who are fascinated by Mars, it's captured the imaginations of people all over the world. From science fiction writers to filmmakers, many have depicted a future where humans live on the red planet. Establishing a human settlement on Mars would be a major milestone in space exploration. However, it would also be an incredibly daunting task. Building infrastructure, growing food, and ensuring the safety of the settlers would all be major challenges. Nevertheless, with advances in technology and the determination of scientists and explorers alike, a future where humans live on Mars may not be too far off. Jupiter's size and mass are so enormous that it's often referred to as a failed star. Its atmosphere is composed of mostly hydrogen and helium, which gives it its distinct appearance as a gas giant. The Great Red Spot, a massive storm on Jupiter's surface, has fascinated scientists for centuries. It was first discovered in the 17th century by astronomer Giovanni Cassini and has been continuously observed ever since. The storm's size is larger than that of Earth and is believed to be shrinking over time. Studying this storm and other phenomena on Jupiter is essential in understanding the gas giant's formation and evolution. Saturn's rings have been shrouded in mystery and intrigue for centuries due to their unparalleled beauty. The planet is unique in that it is the only planet in our solar system with such a magnificent set of rings. Saturn's rings consist of 9 continuous rings and 3 discontinuous rings, which vary in thickness and composition. The 9 continuous rings, labeled A to G, are separated by divisions, while the 3 discontinuous rings, known as the Phoebe, Janus, and Gossamer rings, consist of trillions of ice and rock particles. Scientists believe that Saturn's rings were formed when comets, asteroids, or moons were pulled apart by the planet's tremendous gravitational forces. Studying the composition and structure of Saturn's rings will provide astronomers with valuable insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system. Next up, we have Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun. It is a unique planet as it is tilted at an angle of 98 degrees, which means its rotation is completely different from other planets. Unlike other planets, Uranus rotates from its side, which makes its north and south poles almost lying on the plane of its orbit. It takes around 17 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. Another interesting feature of Uranus is its blue-green color. This distinct color of Uranus is due to the presence of methane gas in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue-green light. Although Uranus is visible to the naked eye, it was the first planet discovered using a telescope, in 1781 by Sir William Herschel. Neptune is the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun in our solar system. Although difficult to see with the naked eye, it can be spotted using a telescope. The planet's blue color comes from the absorption of red light by methane in the atmosphere. This also makes it the coldest planet, with temperatures dropping as low as -370 degrees Fahrenheit, -218 degrees Celsius. Neptune has the strongest winds in our solar system, reaching speeds of up to 1,300 miles per hour, 2,100 kilometers per hour. Due to its distance and difficult-to-reach location, it remains one of the least explored planets in our solar system. Pluto is a dwarf planet located beyond the orbit of Neptune. Discovered in 1930, it was considered the 9th planet in our solar system for many decades until its classification was changed in 2006. Pluto has a rocky core surrounded by a mantle of water ice and other volatile materials, including nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. It has 5 known moons, including Charon, and a diverse surface featuring mountains, plains, and icy regions, with a distinctive heart-shaped feature called Sputnik Planitia. The New Horizons spacecraft performed a flyby in 2015, providing the first close-up images and data of this intriguing world. That concludes our tour of every planet in our solar system. I hope you enjoyed this journey with us. And as we continue to push the boundaries of space travel and exploration, who knows what other secrets and discoveries we may uncover. So, as we close the chapter on our tour of the solar system, let's remember the incredible opportunity we have to learn about the universe beyond our own backyard. Remember, space exploration is crucial for our understanding of the universe and for future generations. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more exciting content.